Now would be an appropriate time to discuss the benefits of Design Center. Since I have discussed blocks, I would like to begin by using Design Center to insert a block from another file. Then I will show you how I can use Design Center and borrow additional items from more drawing files. The Design Center window can be opened using the Ctrl+2 keyboard shortcut or by selecting this icon from the standard toolbar. I will go ahead and click on the icon, and this is the Design Center window. I can resize the window. I can also dock it, and I can change the balance between what is called the tree view and the content area. The tree view is on the left, and it will allow me to navigate through my directories. The content area is on the right. This will allow me to view the contents of the selected drawing file. I'm going to click down here in the bottom of the title bar and select the properties, and I will turn Auto Hide on. What this does is hide the window when I move my cursor off of it, and I can bring it back by placing my cursor over the title of the window. Moving my cursor away makes the window disappear. I'd like to take a block and place it in my drawing file. When you install AutoCAD, it will provide you with the Design Center folder, which I am about to use. I'm going to select the Home Space Planner drawing. I will double click on the blocks icon, and this drawing contains the blocks shown in the content area. I would like to take this rocking chair and place it in the current file. There are two ways of doing this. One, I can simply double click on the icon. It opens the insert dialog box. We're familiar with this. I can select OK and proceed. Or I can click and drag on this icon, bringing it into my floor plan drawing. I will do it right now. Click and drag. As you can see, the Design Center window collapses, and now I will place the rocking chair inside of this floor plan by releasing the mouse button. It is placed on the current layer. Doing this one more time, I will this time take the queen size bed, click and drag into my drawing, and I will try placing it in this room, as you can see. That is the blocks content. There is also the dim style and layers, which I'd like to point out. But first, I'd like to go to File, New, and open a new drawing file. This drawing file does not contain any layers, it does not contain dimension styles, and it does not contain text styles. What I'd like to do now is go over to the Open Drawings tab. I currently have 3 drawing files open. This is my floor plan. It contains blocks. As you can see, it is now reflecting the 2 blocks that I have brought in. Looking at the dimension styles, I would like to bring one of the dimension styles into this drawing. If we look now under Format Dimension Styles, it does not contain any. I will close this, and now once again I can click and drag it into the drawing, or I can right click and select Add Dimension Styles. I will do this. Going back to Format Dimension Styles, it has placed that dimension style into the new drawing file. If I select Modify and I look at the text, it is currently using the Gill Sans regular text. I point that out because if I go to Format Text Style, you will see it listed here as well. So it not only brought over the dimension style, it also brought in the text associated with that dimension style. I can go down to layers. Looking at the layers, I can select layers, right click, and add them to my new drawing. For example, the A-plan layer. Looking at the list, A-plan is now part of the drawing file. The def point layer is also in there. I am not sure if this is a bug in the program or if it was brought in because I dragged the dimension style into this drawing file. But it's fine because we will eventually be using it. That is using blocks, dimension styles, layers, text styles. I can select the regular style, or let's borrow this one. Once again, right click, add that text style. If I look at the list now, it has now been placed into the drawing file itself. This is a powerful feature, and I hope you will begin to take advantage of it in the immediate future.